Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Easily apply stylistic film grain effects in Lightroom Classic CC. This feature works in a similar way as the vignetting feature. To apply a film grain effect to the selected photo in the Develop module, first expand the Effects panel. Use the Amount slider in the Grain section of the panel to determine the amount of grain that will be applied to the photo. If you set the Amount slider to 0, the grain effect is disabled. After determining the amount of grain to apply, use the Size and Roughness sliders in combination to determine the character of the grain. The Size slider controls the particle size of the film grain. If you move the Size slider to a value of 25 or greater, Lightroom Classic CC adds blue to the grain to make the effect look better with noise reduction. The Roughness slider controls the uniformity of the grain display. If you move the slider to the left, the grain appears more uniform. If you move the slider to the right, the grain effect becomes more irregular and uneven. Like other Lightroom Classic CC tools, the grain feature becomes easier to use after some practice. When working with this feature, it's helpful to inspect the photo regularly at a variety of zoom levels. After some experimenting, you'll be able to apply realistic grain effects to your photos.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.